Yo, salamu alaikum bari ngoli ngali kontong. Ngali bismillah kabondi kibaro network. Malafi na ngananung ka foko kanadi amole. Because ngajele minketa United Democratic Party Alpha Bami yalonko bi amantara jang andum tonya ndelbela Alpha le mo horma mo ba mo bunya mo ba mo mi yalonko a UDP dimo bele kanu mbe mala dimbayati woto nin alay wo min je doya nyanta ko jamal to laje surtout politiko kono parce que ay wulu politiko kono le ay kulli politiko kono ay kulu politiko kono and I silo fana itandi na politiko kono. She is one of the most loyalist people ndemi long Mr. Dabo la Carola aji sukaina ka mbe duwala alama ale banko sumiyaka alaman ala saya si kay manta be ngoti dunia ni ala hero definitely ntamam pare ngana life la parce que in normal circumstances kunum be fintila nung ngadi am ko mi yalan ko leketa banko kan because political len and a lot of people mili yalan ko be political kono so to mol mili yalan ko they are UDP supporters and sympathizers need to understand this political ka tamanyamin mbela fahamro man kanyam political kono mbeli ka koja nyama at the same time bar manya dolu akamodul ki jofara wala ko dolu akamul ki jofara atra fanga manje ki jofara kuti o kamala natra nunga ba nyama nun kunun tabe fintilan nun nimoli kacha kunun be fintilan nun ngayta ndi molla ko mi yalan ko kete ya andu nin ala tema mbole fola nte nadia moto siala nyim kono baake bari lafta kadiamu mole mi yalan ko banko kanula la muyti ilafta la adama baro bo andi lafta e bonin silole kan ila fatili mbali abola je ila fatapali abola je andum imam pare ndamale tara ku kala nyola mi yalon ko dolbe nyo kinna ibe nyo fela ana madi mo be ke la laran fulaka laran kilingi ke la wala ka andu nimbe diamula nyoy nga diamu nyoy hormola ani bunya nini mo be ku kile ni ba ka chandle bi ka doya sotu nyal be banta balto bari mbe futala wotole folo lafta nga ka chaminna wala UMC rally mi yalan koy woleke mom ye politiko faham yalon politiko ka tama nyaminna yalon an establishment of a new institution political party lemba kukuta aka action jamali create ibaje dolbi taje wolta da je sawola ba dolbi talaje wol mantaje sawola nin koy mantaje sawola maf koy forcer le samba bari tata je i mantaje parce que dianyo ko le samba je mole be je mi yalon ko la ko diate wala ni tata je wala be wol support kan bari jama be je wol tata le parce que ye sambale nyala mi yalon ko le siata nte manta bu fazon kunu mbenu Gambia le kunu nente seytana ka bondi Gambia kunu wularo and kabirin seytana ne modi am dale nkai ko you go to Bufazon on our behalf and Gambia be yalla no tete tanu la Bufazon kun even if I wanted to for some very good reasons nindara Bufazon kun ninne moldun tanyola ko kun ketana mo kilim make nan fawle yaken ni en doya mo kilim mando yam fawle fandoya ni en ne mo kilim man nem fawle fawne woya tinnan tete tanu la Bufazon bari mfanan sinna fero landi bimbati na la haninta mantaraje mostaraje on my behalf ntoya andu ngawleke we make sure there is somebody there mi yalonko ate kalaw kuma folay ke mam media faham bake de bari mfana meta jere sain sanji tang anim fen bije sanji tang anim fen kabiring kerfatu anim minde keri ikela camera lika ikamute bulo kono. I remember one of the interviews pamudu boja ning talang nogo injaye minki nogo injala suokon wolunga la telephone on tele yamta. That was the camera. Molbe balu le media lon ko yen CDA wolate. I was there. So nga kalamtale hani kabiri ba establish ka man min be lonje bar ngalo ne wato mina ya establish andu wo wato la media be nyami na yimba ko kan surtout online medias. Wotom fana edo man dim faham jele. Medias can show you images mi yalon ko isade dano on their own way. So being AI malum ma fo ko AI le kiji. Ma wofre. That is not my conclusion. But in ba fo le ite lafta media abinyami ne ite lafta moli e minje ka wole itandila. And wo ko la ite fendo jeno la. Do mol stano ni hakilola. Ni manke kijafara kuti. Ndela wo mari kiyeje ko la mbela nga wo explain ni munketa ni wote. Ba modo be jel miliyalan ko banku dingole afangole nkumanda afangwe and wala suwo ko na ni bufa zo nai 5 minutes drive tamosi ya utadanta wala. He knows what exactly was going on there. Andum mol miliyalan ko le tataje. I guarantee Gambians ntel pamane le nyifo I guarantee Gambians mol miliyalan ko wolle Gambia dingoti nkamo santo ntele ba fola nkamo santo ngala ne ko ngafo fem fo jang nim fata hani mol man fem fo bare ala ben konti bolala. I'm very sure about that. And ngalon ko lata ala labaki. Ngamin kije kabiri wotata woy kuma follow mum fonye. Akonye ko pante I'm very surprised ngamin je media kono kabiri mbije anim what was happening on the ground. Akonye kufulale. Ngai mineketa. Akonye ko let me tell you 40% of that population the crowd nga akonye ko dindi merengol leng less than 14 years. 40% of the crowd dindi merengol leng less than 14-15 years. Maximum 14 years. 14-15. I investigate. I'm definitely yanyininga. My questions. Because itata no raje. Nte lafta mi lona be wolfulay. Nga nyininga. Now, this crowd there kwa. Nka ibad kebal mulbeja. Konye ko modul bije mili alonko. Foreigners solle muiti. You have a lot of Senegalese in there. The crowd is not the matter. But the vote, that is what counts. Talib abe political establishment or keka. He is founding an institution. Miyalonko, he is also putting his entire life on. Because nine bimo sandi tachom. Mobe sa understand wonya. Kuno na felta ni molman siya teng. Bi Talib betara kudo le fola. Woto by now, anala mol betara kirimba so le foka. That is why they make sure they put millions into it. So could they tell si moso is sotono. Ibe moje male sotola does not matter. Baroka nyineke jang. Mbe sonta ko baroka nyineke. Mol mulbe Talib noma. Wol fon liya ko baroka woleke. Ay mayno leta ke samba fenko to program soto ake sambala la rielto. Akakudol di mula to go and attend their rallies. It's like Talib is doing a replica of Adama Barrow in his political activities. Now, if that is the case, mol nata je, mol mulialan kwol naba abenyo fe, wol man tara feng nyinin kanje, wol be min nyinin kan woleng mol nata je nyamina they do not care. Ngo natalol bijan milialon ko people with senses can go over it. Nyemanke pamane la kumati, amanke kulti milialon ko pamane le fabrication ke asamana. You will see faces milialon ko telephone will be sontale ko wolite karte faila in 2026. Adiata nye, akuyata nye, adiata talibi, akuyata wolite karte faila in 2026. But they are in the ground. And the solata minna wala presence in that ground. So ko dey sa focus talibi ye mul soto nole. Will be a problem. Talib is an ordinary is a Gambian citizen. Nakaba la patie londi la. Aya right to la patie londi. But wobe tula teni lua le temo. Nin lua ya soko asipati abuluma no fento asipati lo nole. That is lua IEC ani mon miliyalo ko le bala patie londi la. Nin million ba bulu miliyalo kasi banko dingol sanno la. Pour yeta atela political activity to. isitaje asala na fulo dila ita programme ni attend waye len dina len ko wax alter gambe dingol gis nga kula abal bot fu ko neex ngay xol ni moye fu ñaala damin diata ya ikawol to jibe banku dingolum diamuta ndiamita minna kununko ba ale wole je kununko ndiamuta minna kunun ale wole je kunun nga min faale bial be wole je kan andum fele ko te kembe diamula. But Gambians seems not to learn from the past. Gambians kamale kontel min tambita aketa na wato min nan kanyinalo wato la anda aketa na nyami nan kamuta wala fana nyama. Adama baro ya kala jang. Baro e min kala talibiye wala ke United Democratic Party la. And nga mol fale nga mol fanam fale nga mol file the same people milan ko nga fale nun kunun alien ne wole la kola bimbe diam kan ko de kal ko alni molle be tambila ko de kana nem ko de ndel ko alna nga nyoma koy altel yamira kon teleman kenya ale sto wala tinan ka wo fay an ko dingolum telibe telle den tan banko la na betiata telle ni en nga wuru ni en doya nga wuru ni nepotism jayin kan nga wuru ndel mo kiri wala ka tu wuro la andu muluka wuru ndin ka mul ko ken telephone la ko empower ya hayti mumu toñati hana madimo asi falo cika samba fo badatu wala suwo aya samba fo badatu akay ko jefele nyinti bala falo le mingo woto ta falo fon le bala wala suwo fon ngo Gambia dingo be sa faham jandi be kunu nakacha kono be nyufula mo be nde badi mo yalla nako nata nde fon ko dama dennon kanyindi diamu mun ke politique ko ntaaki la ko tek andali amina ko nyini mul yalla kal jikita ko be balu ka nyamin aske non tele balu nya fa ngi nyata woti andu mayta ndi modola ba dindi merongol mul yalla ko fonkalo ngon teddo ko mal woli do ko mal wolle kantenen social media because I kan genyami nandum ka min befo nka fo tele latinola nka fo tele la ngo mbal tele la kumo fo ka ninde fa ngodimol nka fenjal ma mingi andi ka kumo fo nyi mam min fo aliye dunia ka tama wo nyama nimbe diamala lin kana diamu nyola jusola en kana la moy nyola jusola alinga la moy nyola ko harama dingole ka diamu andu mun ka diamu na bebu banko dimonti after talib la ni rali billahi wallahi talla momun dani momun dono diamu ta ala da male wolo di modo yon kumandi nin ko mba islam mo safen bari wol they are very close into mba islam nya fu mol kana fenka bara yin kumandi ajikila teta ko nyoko nunde jikila teta baade bar kabir nga mata ji explain ay ko kita nyamin akonyo pa you are right ko nyi because kununta fa mutata jele ngaje nyinni kita je bare mol mul yalon koy mantara banko ka Atil mi yalon ka mantara banko kan you are probably in the diaspora or somewhere. Mi yalon ko you don't have access on the ground. Ika immediately tandala mi yalon ko tel laftali wole je. Ko defé sali convince. Mol mi yalon ko mam bambay be daminto silol mam bambanje isi yafili je ta la talib kan. And then we have nothing against Talib as an individual. And the more killing ta folante ko Talib la ko ta fola. Because Talib le nata dulata dami yalon ko Welling afo atola fodlat politician o munga fo konte la kumate fola ite malon ko politiko kata me nyamen anu politician o munga fo konte te kala kuma fola because na bemu atodum fang opponent olti wala na bemu mba fola nyaadi le for example na ntalbemu oppositional sa any oppositional will give you clear examples oppositional mi yalon ko UMC kabiri wulte lota ikoy be UMC lola their priority mi yalon ko target sol itata mine foloto UDP la stronghold sol fo mam kembe nyala ya itata kiyange bayje elarar mu me bema itata kiyaye bayje itata jara ye bayje jara sateje le dunta daminto mi yalon ko ye bay andi kata daminto ya lonne ko jammu United Democratic Party la strongholds leti bare foy ko le ko jam ñim lanto mu atodum fa opposition dlaltin tele mumu opposition manta je mala itata wolto say mol mul yalan koy ka bondi NPP ikala talib kan wala mol mul yalan koy mallano United Democratic Party kan no bari be Adama Barrow kanne ba kan minna wala ñindi ko de ñaka pexe wala atine lata NPP ka so kabirin talib nata je fana NPP fili nata la talib ka unconditional ba talib la moli la objective mu munti wala United Democratic Party te nka min fale ngalon ne anda ko tan nale fer few weeks ago na deputy regional chairman chairman o NBR a telemo di acting regional chairman ta abota na so kono jang a kontonta janne ani muso do mi yalon ka ni wole nata wo fanan si is serving in United Democratic Party inin kumbo mu nata wala UMC ikatanna stronghold ka jibe be United Democratic Party te la nyamin so altri yamen tan nyanta sila nga jibe yen tinya fo e pare ngon kanam fam protect la nyanta kala wala nyam jani ben tinya la mbelo la ngay tan la ko luk ikanye mun ke de manyana kala wanya ni ko beta Adam Barrow no ye tayta Barrow la mol no ma bari bi ni ko be UDP telale ndello ta nyami naka kam fam protect against Adam Barrow wo ku kili mon bole kala UMC la an talib sawona dino abe UDP telale janna te ba fam sotora na ku jamaale lo nyin ko kono mi yalon ko dolbe je nte pare la ko tek ngol fo ko tek parce que ntambite la bari nkana nyo nen nkana nyo tinya nkana nyo doya nte mambang nte tonya dia tanya ba alkana nye tonya dia ni ka tonya fon kam fan dalindi nte mo problème so bari hana madingo ni be kumala moye ibika tonya fo moye ibika mo ya mar ika doya surtout momu yalon ko inabe ku kilin ita fulante ko pa nanga lanyo kan na ngam fonye ni ba fulanye ko nga talib la ko tuje isa fono nyele kuma kan wasi fa siatal ibe min fono la nye bungo kono ibe min folanye saloto ibe min folanye varanda koto ibe min folanye mbedo kan ibe ta mun folanye banta bato kuma kan lo manyana mulunna hana tare be mu tonyalti bari te si fay die kunu talib la moli findi yo crowd ja ye ki yo fara ye panic yena findi ko neke ika fo moli ka tel ka talib attack wala na talib ye popularity soto mbadi kabirin talib ka popularity soto wotu moy man United Democratic Party wotu mo wo talib wo popularity mi yalan ko talib ya soto no wodi la kabirin 2018 kabirite malo jamalen talibti nga hanyindi molla nga mol hanyindala nga karandi politikola nga politiko dunda kono nga ni mol bulo dundi nyoko no mul yalan ko leba tetela kasilo itandala mi yalan ka lafta ka wala so o be UDP mu nyantare ya horoma ya bunya UDP dimole wala kay bi nintel ka talib la kumofo because talib ka kule ken tella mi yalan ko fangol yalan ka ni silo manta amane tamo fam faham bar kuma kan be wol bentem problème oti afa moli ko talib alinga la kumu tuje ko sakata nyaminna nim ko mbe bulala tinoma mbe lose la objective la mbe objective fi laje nyinen ko mi yalon ko nyanta tamala ni wala o talinga jibe mimba tinala mbade dala fo ndelmul yalon ko mbe sla killing wala mbe ku killing wala nyanta ko koke mumu United Democratic Party la nyato tati alinga katan kana lose objective la mbe tra di same direction ko ngana nyanta kila wala nya bari te koy kan te yamal le kan doya ikoy kay yamal le kan neng ikoy kay yamal ka kumol fo mi yalon ko doyar kumol woti andum ibe njibe kan ko te man na faso to pati kono itele na faso to ji ite bente yamal kan as a party comrade muna batine le ba fa la nyoko na musole nyi nyate la musoti pati di yani musuku ye nyosto minela muna batine ite bay kandila kon te fentente bula betele bul pati di yani wo nyosto minela muna batine e bati ibay kandila la ko kunun ko itela na pati kono ikamun participer nyim pati kono telmul yalon ko beje yani te kana ndele talif fon sabanje ite kam min participer ndele mo participer yalo man ko itela Oto more or less until ya jele ko iben doya kanne more than even advice ka. This is the issue. And mu ye ma nya jibe nga politiko jibe nga jibe munemu afahamu ngoti nyanta tala ni nyamina. It's more or less you are trying to pave a way mimba tinelebe bonda UDP and then UDP dingo lebe dunna nyola and the moment was sababu kena manketed. Nko everybody has his own opinion and then you have the right to affiliate to any political party of your choice. Mokiri mankuno woto. Bari yale mune ma jawmati. Ni bitale yetani kairo kono kana ku create mumbe silo di lela wale tinyaro ke mi yalon ko itela boje abeta ku dole ke mi yalon kanisido manta. You were insulting people indirectly. You were disrespecting people indirectly. That is the fact, my brother. Long, but I respect that I tell the United Democratic Party because big go momulata ko ite UDP kanule momulata ko alaji usde la president ya mu priority letea mune bati ne te be banna moy tara United Democratic Party ngo alinga tonya fo man fentinya mbadi mafo ko kana tonya fo ni mafo fanan ko kana redirect natra nga silobula bade fo fenji nyabalalde kana ndoya ni be tonya fulay niko al talib la kuma kan bula ninte ko ngam fam bondi woto wotonte munafikolti malla ko nka kuma kan because I am one of the people muli yalan koy kalojan kayta niko talib ben suda be tinyaro ke kanyim bankola and then he is worse than even Adama Barrow muli yalan ko nka kumbola kola on daily basis niko alala ko bula alikala kumo fo bakene ninte mam fanje je wotonte fongole kam fandoya wotonte fongole manjiki kon kamin fo tonyale banni be tonya fo la nye pour ngada korila. In fact, I would have respected ye finti, yen kumandi, yen kachandi, ni ma wono, ni ben address la publicly because ite mo be kumandi no la at one time. Ni ben diamu la nye, diamu nye, nyala mimbati na yete ndoyala. I see more or less in your statement, because you were so disrespectful, and if you kuma kamo le foka mimbati, mumbaje kanko, nteli nataro patio kono, mbeje na fatala, mantara je na fatala, mbade amanke woti. Ika minke patie wololo ntelika minke patie ma wolo ika minke patie yololo ntelika minke patie ita ma wolo oto kana kudo sambana mi yalon kabe controversy create la. Now what we need more is unification in the Mali kacha. But if you come out publicly trying to disrespect people womukulet mi yalon kani slow manda. That is not done. That is so is undone and then it's not acceptable anywhere. Nimu lafta tonya fole. Na tarela musoni nyate nyako to an extent that you think your wife is more beautiful than anybody else. That is your opinion. But ite njikita ka nyata nyamin nante sa jibe wo nyama ka manyi nyanya. Wo ala wo mala la kol. Fendo nyate te ya amanyi nyante ya. Ite lafta fendo la ntama la fi wola. Ita ka kumo do fu modo ya appreciate comme il a bi kumo mol be je million ko they appreciated it but mol be je million ko ya jele ko is a very disrespectful statement towards those people. Alina tonya fu nyoy mbadi alin kana nyo nakar mbeke kilingoti mo be le nyanta kumandila anyanta kila mbela objective leti no bula wonya. Talking about UMC la gathering Tonya Moli Fintita, we saw a lot of people. But 40%, I guarantee Gambia, 40% of all those people are young people, they are even less than 14 years. Adama Barrow wala kejan 2021. It is purposely done. Yalo munat na Adama work in 2021. Because they expect that ko ibe quartier sunya lale. Ne quartier sunya, multi agreement kala because iba fala ka crowd samanane. Crowd kanana ne ba mun crowd si fale kanana. Aka crowd samana ba mun crowd si fale. You see half of those crowds they are minors. They do not vote. So speculation on yalan ka be kela after elections wale atine ko dindingol sambana. Because all their attention is dragged to creating that crowd so ko defe mol samira ko mobe nyimbulle. And that's exactly what happened to UMC. Nadi ata moli ya mira ko nkam fallama ne kule. barinti yalo ne mune ketaje andu momun sinte la moy la ta kon te fani ya fole ala lon kon kamin fali wolen tonyati ni mansila billahi wallahi taala be khadina mol to fala janne ni mansila mbe mol to fala janne ko moyen kumandi mi yalo ko ala kodani UMC is andum wo he has no interest ay fani ya fole no interest ko ngalo ne namita andu ala so kono ni bufa zone ani jannim fenko amas let's take it this way en hakilo ba kan alaji usen si nyum fo no alele inata nyo wanyomi molsiata tantangol ko stananga I was the key man ga mbedi amolan ko I'm not a fan of a politic of drum beating ale tantang ko saliye dong ali fenka I'm not a fan of that. I'm a fan of ye moltare la soul kono you talk to them ye diamu alfale miliyan ko they are responsible people ye diamu le miliyan ko fon ya lon ko ninni ya kan wadina ba kan respect la ndabe carte fayla ba faylan tele I am fan of that banimbe UDP mol ka finti tantang ka ko si mol ke fan enjoy wa ma hinka ko bo stop la. But I also have my opinion, and I don't reserve my opinion. Ningaje ko nyanta kachano la. Konte ni banko dingol le denta. Mbe ku kilingole keleka. Andu mbe min keleka muli be banko kan. Anim mili be banko bantala. Mbele dentala. Imu dindi wote mu kebati. Laftali wo fanam faham di. Ala lon ko mbe min keleka. Akolema bebe la din teleka. Ndeli kan kumandi yandi en 13. Last week le mobotan 13. Last week. Billahi wallahi wa tallahi last week doro mo botan threaten so until we go through all that your life akatalla rim bedole ka isi wulno le molke accommodate nyami ne si wulno le moy nay murota yeso wa efa because hanama diale bo nyama ni diamuta do si la fala ye la moy ba do si la fi baliya la jara ko fana mbela. So ala lon ka ko leatal ka nyawnyang munta bi dawta be ko learin telephone ka wole nyama bar ku kilim bo falari this kind of events ni be daminto amutaje yella konte alayn harje min nan be wol soto amanjari jijala amanjari fenna ajarta min na wolete lamani you be consistent you know hanama di be ko kunte consistency is a key we should be consistent. Media household laftali minje wole itandal andi laftai aliaje nyami ni baytandal la wole nyam they do not just take pictures and then come and upload it they take pictures they take a good careful of observing kol mul yalla ko lebe kerinje ay alota nyaadile fon nyanta nyim personal fon manyana personal then they will provide that to you put it na jibe bari sina wo jibe o ite be jikirin koy woleje bari te minje te li lafta ye minje wala dila ani mo faham ji evento nyin kitale mo siyatale UDP kana ngay hey atudum fang bufa zone manke chahan manke place chahan dit dol kana jele kota filo ikawle occupy dol half fili ikawle occupy UDP bufa zone occupy jane 2021 kabodin tonko fotonko hani ko be daje fayla bi ka soto ba fayla daminto hani be daje fayla iba fayla daminto bi ka soto no anu ku jamal le bije ñun ku kuto mo jamale la ma fo mo be laftal ba mo jamale laftal kumpa e ka fanya fo kumpa bo malia dol kata je kata ko le jibe mun be jam but does that mean ko ite itata minne itata ikata carte fay ñana na hani UDP la campagne kono ninde ka fenti nkata le jani UDP la crowd minala wotu monte kata sate ñun don la fatal damin nina ko to funto ni na fa jenke ni ngon nin doli yenje bay sabo yame ñi ñamanna but I can gather information nimpati di day ñini ka mini kata janjande minala mba fo no ray ko ñini kata it's important in life so you are not expecting everybody there was a sympathizer of Talib or UMC. Ankay mul findidal. You have a lot of people mulia lonko they are I told you from foreign nationals mo kilinto fana bayno ibulata mo le la bitikol le kono kata I would not say specific time kata mo no me la bitikol kono ke samana kati sa tol dira kado manindi la pour eta event nyundu so ni mo ba celebrate kan ni mo mo ni la opinion if you are sympathizing with Talib or UMC that is your opinion you can do it. I would not object that because more muhi belori family. Il after me nekata wole no. I completely agree with that. But coming nkana jiklate wala nkana panic. Anu ngawo mo dantana al panic tat. Ndel bi jang tel man panic atel bi ade wallahi billahi tallahi bi ngafo moy bi. Nka enne ala temo. If I saw yesterday, UDP will not make it in 2026. Ni ala ni kila tema ni man vindinga fo ko hey ali nga fere do jibe ala man kana sama bi. Nde ala nda wole nyama nde nyanta min fola mbolo fola because nte fango ko late mo kilin nafa. Aben folo le nafa ay na mo na famia lon ko le fanam be la moy la wala abe kala fen ko. Ban ni nga koros nun kunu. Wala ko mo yake nga koros nun kunu. Mi yalon ko le keta boufazon ning abe UDP affect la politically ning ala tema ni man fini nga fa ko ala nga fere do jibe ala man kana do arjana. I will say it openly. On Friday mbenu ndabo ya mbeje for 9 o'clock mbe siri mbe kachala nte dabo ani mojama modol liano kal falle mbe siri mbe kachala gele be tambila mbe kontila gele be tambila Talib na mo ila gele be tambila ike samba delegate si kate samba damento. You take people from the entire country. We are not expecting you will be able to bring at least 2,000 to 3,000 people with all the wealth and then the income based and then you are ready to spend in politics. That is normal. And the minketa momo yalonko politically you are sensible, politically you are connected. This is so normal ko because they also want to be on the spotlight. And so imagine model panic because the crowd that I saw yesterday, I'm ready to join Taliban Suda. Model Fintida, they now start attacking their own people because they want a way how to go and join UMC. Mbani nie mo muta jang. Nae any movement ke draka kanela. Moy bi ka muta elboto. Talib mamodo fode. Ndele fana yo fo jangali wo fana sare. Nin jemale betala ballot box to Taliban Suda date tarawo kono. Ndeyo fo fo nyim banko kan jangal bajela. Nim mun kata ballot box to. Alte Taliban so ma fo UMC te mosto la mi yalon ka ba represent la je. But Taliban Suda titala je. Wo ballot box to. Ndele fana yo fali ala safe ali alandi. Ngo fali de mfana yali lahi di wola. But why is UDP going after UDP? Alkana Talib la kumofu. Ala Taliba bailing affaire Talib. Nangam yen yi di wax ni nangam amune ben jeri ci parti bi man suma jabar mo daha sen jabar. Ñun bañu lolu. In fact we wish you nga am jabar bu rafet. But that has nothing to do with our political affiliation. And then it should not even be the talk of your discussion. You should not even have mentioned that. Mamboy bo amé ben jabar ñun am na ñaar wala ñeneen ni am na ñetta ñeneen ni am na juroom am na juroom ben ko so amé ñeenti jabar nga am so wona ci side chicks xam nga sa affaire gi ba waye do gina nga ñew wako it is not it's just unnecessary. Gis nga petit bu nga wax non you were there to be more petty than anybody else any other person waye jaru ko won ñi gis nga ñun ñi ñu waron dama wara bay yon yo nga call ma nga ne ma paal you are doing good wala ni foog naa ne soo defoon lii wala nga gis keneen ku ko def nga call ko soo defoon lii you will earn more respect te dim ñi teg si yoon te coow du jib waaye boo jógee dem bantaba nga wax ma loo xamante ne mooy loolu that is ridiculous. I tell you and I can tell you were indirectly disrespecting that, advising the people of United Democratic Party. To lolu warut. mamboy togal gis nga li nga ragal loolu du am Alhaji Ousainou dina doon président ci Gambia bi suñ ko waxul ci ginaaw yàlla ndeni alamante fenna de mbarinte kotote mbamante mfante fente because a man din soto andum fatala bari nga lonko the signs and then the you know engagements mi yalon ko kadu wala kon banko kan jang mol kam min fonye mi yalon ko they were sabotaging the United Democratic Party in 2021 after 2021 nyinang people that have engaged young people that are ready to join the United Democratic Party mfongole katani yesi I've had people they have shown their commitment. I've had people that are ready to support Alhaji Ousainou because they only believe when Alhaji Ousainou Sakeno. Talib have so many questions to answer. I am not the right person to tell you that. Talib have so many questions to answer to the Gambian people. We want leaders, but we want leaders that are honest and committed. We want leaders that want to take responsibility. Amanke dindi muta amanke kebati. Nsolota mola mi yalon ko is committed and have a love for our country. Ngo banku dingol mbali mbenyi mfulari alala hakilo tu woto bay kula abali bot fuko ne ngay hol. Ni moye sang ni moye kodo use ikang aye samba nam puye bula noma ni woye kateta nae kateta wala nae banko ta adiata nyame na be marala wol nyama lulu safari. Be careful with your decisions. Banku dingol banko la nyato ta mun telleti. And then we are the only people million ko be participate la we are also among the young people. And atalante I'm over age sign because I am almost about 45 to 46. Anata modo sin jibe no ayenne because modol samira ko nying nte fa wara ko onte datije. And nte bika jutu mola. Na family ndoko mali kono hanin dingole ni tarasiring ikamira ko nyini mun ndoko leti ala en dawo nyama ala en dawo nyama ntabula nola bar wo ngati na nyanta dinding mirengol jibele on social media e ben disrespect la mba jibele man kunoje ni modo son kala de ba nimu ya kenna ni modole ba fala ko pamane tente woni tata account do jibe andu ni na de ni ko nyi salam alaykum be block it's as simple as that. I want Gambians to understand this bi nsi kumo fo mu mediale Samanga kuma kando for me yalon kate diale. Hanama diale bonya. You need to accept that. You need to accept that. UDP, we need unification than anything else. But looking for cheap ways, Mimbebon la UDP is not the solution. UDP needs any of us. Biya solo munken na kununga mawoken. And then you will be the big lie. Yalong, nte UMC la call meta jail. And ninkombe reference tala probably modul balon na beje mandela bari mol miliyalon ko wolle nin talibi nyim ko yin sunko yalla nen ya fali jang ko talib gave $60,000 to one person for ala media engagements and all that. That was a long time ago. I will put it this way. Kewo beje mi yalon ko he is aware of it. Kunum one of my nganinki okay. No, ninko mbafalo fana. Okay, let's put it. Mbe pare la pour ngadi am nga hani my evidence be samana, bari nga domandi samana for people to know. Nte minki kuno prata bu zone pour ka koli gibe jani mbe diam la on speculation. Jani mbe diam la fengo mi yalon ko man fello nje frère. Pour attesta on my behalf. So ko defa asi information sambanyena. Ate information mo sambanyena aning mom yalon ka ni wala ka ku and wo be ni UMC. He is part of people Mulialon ko they established Talib Bensouda. Wole lota kununga ko. Amafo nyala bari nyin ko nya akonya he sumo waji mune sin affaire ya ko na de. Luñu espegon gisul lolu. Wala nan talé ko luñu espegon gisul lolu nit ñew na waye ban façon nit mo ñew. Wala problème moti. Mol natal fo carte fayla le nat. This is the question. That is the point. More Natalie, there were a lot of people that were present in that venue. More based on Tawala. So, more million ko imam faham roke political la Carola, they might be little confused with the attendance. More million ko le nataji. I'm telling you this. And I want Ghanaians to understand this. I have nothing against Talib as an individual. He's a youth. He is very committed. And I like people like Talib. If you see something that you want, you go look for it. But I love that. I believe in myself so much that nobody drags me. If you see me into something along, I want to do it. If you see me into something, Lord, that I am already committed and I want to put my effort into it. If Talib believe that Kwasi Banko Sambanole, which I believe cannot happen, which I believe ko kule mi yalon ko Talib en suda fonga yalon kata kenola. He is directed. If Talib is, for the animal, God forbid, if Talib is president, Talib will only appear as a ceremonial president. But at the back end, somebody else will be deciding on the affairs of the country. This is the fact. Alingam fonye chahanola. At the background, somebody will be there deciding on the affairs of the country. We are all complaining that Adama Barrow cannot give Gambians what they deserve. We are all saying that Adama Barrow cannot give Gambians what they need. But now the point is, we are trying to recruit another person who is worse than Adama Barrow. This is another question. And then it is legit. I can ask any of you. Mbadi yala mumu tonyati. Famu tonyati. Momun silata wo crowd la munkunu mumfintire imam political. Anu ngamin na kumo fali science na adunta man pare adunta wato mina do ngaf. He just joined our program. Science na adunta. Wallahi ya fangole mkumandi na bejang. Na lafta ka fayitan. Sa ate sifindi ko tonyante nyimfo pai. Billahi wallahi wa tallahi aitan dinako pamani nyimul munata nyindulanto. A lot of people are minors, and then you have more than 10 to 15% who they are foreigners. So Jamal be karte faila Taliban Sudan. We have seen a lot of people. Yaje some color crowd get in a la first appearance. Kabila meeting no munke case. Kabila mol ko pak. Kabila mol ko pak. Ngalo na wolong hani makisala fang wolong abe sirin dami do nie gisuma diala na min do abe gifala. But mol mulialan koy fahamu roke chroniqueur mulialan koy be Senegal if indi de tara tell they saw people ko tonya mol na tanyi lantole but mo sifa jemale na taji. It's very important in politics. You ha mol na ta jele, we all agree mol na taji but mo sifa le nyan. Are they legit to vote in coming elections? Sign ni momu yente so. I give you the authority. Go back to the pictures. Take a look example of pictures that have been taken by some media houses. Make comparisons. Yaji be. Ifongwe. For example, Taker Fat. Yeta I Africa. Sorry, Gandhi. Yeta Gambia Talent. Yeta Adladot. Ila picture li jibe ba. Any individual soul muri along picture ta. You compare it yourself. And then na yaje ko pamale kabi fomoli. You come and tell me ko you are deceiving people, and then I can refer to you as a liar. I give you that authority. Any other person mi yalon ko ilafta kelani, you are doing it genuinely. Na support bonije. Nko mol nata jele. But a lot of them are minors. You have a lot of kids in that so much problem. You call kids to come and enjoy themselves. They came and enjoy themselves. And then you give Talib a platform to express himself. He does. What next? I am not saying ko UMC to win Nola in 2031, for example. Mbeso no wala. Now with this crowd you can maintain, and you can take it up to 2031. Talib can be the president of the Gambia, and that in the most easiest way. Nsonta wala mo killing mo mun ko ebo deny la drong, you are lying. You are deceiving UMC. Nsonta wala. That is factual. But in this era, today be mun fokan, kunu mu yalan ko leketa. Your attendance, Nintata pool so Talib will be the most surprising person. I'll be disappointed about it. He will be so disappointed to a level me yalon katini me miral. He will be more disappointed than Isafal. Yalo Isafal na la mul la banta police station or to fengo la sound system. Talib na la mul vitala minto. Talib na la mul vitala jana la to bak de la he. I am telling you the truth. Wallahi billahi tala. Ngala nen kamin fali. Ngo 2031. Nin Talib ya fan established. This formation of muta and now continue. And I will not deny it. I will factually say he can be the president in 2031. Even Natara Usenu Dabo Sita 2026 and Abejila Alafta Jila 2031. Ni UDP mang structuring ke miyalonka keta structuring kendol the Talibs are defeat no. With the crowd that I see, with the young people, but the other problem is the other nationals that are in that crowd. That is the problem as well. You have a lot of foreign nationals in there, and then you have kids Mulialonko, they came to enjoy themselves. Ngoy dipa kunda e gelegele sambaje. Ali UNC moli nyininka fonde fani ale foka. Ye de gelegele samba dipa kunda. Muyi kwenye ayonko akonye ko pa kwenye dindi merem le 8 years, 9 years, 10 years. Tal yen sen yaram warona daw. Yen baña jël ay xalé yu tollu nonu di lay yogu ci ay political event. Bayle lolu way. Bayle lolu bu len def lolu. I have nothing against anybody. Nte in person, kuno kabende ka sena kabondi Gambia. I met a person mi yalon ka kanembaki social media. Kanembaki le ka bahum. Mbafla janni openly. Kabiri ngaji dorong ala ko indimina. Lafta sapilaka. Honestly speaking, lafta sapilaka bari Taminaloto was overcrowded. Ainge dulu ngayem kumandi. Nkai bahu makwa, nkai ko ikantel ning social media. Ni molte dombe sapile kanjane. But you know what happened? When you command malade Satan pa, you are doing so good for this country. Billahi wallahi la mimbo tambala tenala kodek. We stood there, we chat like nothing ever happened. I am also that tolerant. So I can't amira kontel we are here. Jamale lafte ini mole tar back and forth. Nde musole be mbulu dingol le be mbulu ndingol kata kala moy bi bal ko yata e fellonne. I will not be here insulting people or people insulting me for no reason. It pains me when I see kids muli yalon ko ndokoma wol dokoma wol siate di bennenka. Andum fa yalon ko nini ko be njibe le ni nyoje wala nga little distance ni en ndoro ni kude malam kude sila. Alimo tuje. We are not going against each other as United Democratic Party supporters. Mr. Cisse, I have nothing against you. Your statement was old, and don't tell nobody stand on my neck. I'm not that type of person. I responded because your messaging wasn't good, and but I understood. You were scared because the pictures and the videos that you saw. You were scared because you saw the images that they wanted you to see. That is the reason why they are showing you those type of images. Because you want to be convinced that Talib is the most powerful and then the most structured and then the most established political party in the Gambia today. They are doing the job for him. And then he paid those people to deliver that job. So they did what they have to do, and then they show you what you wanted, what they wanted you to see. Now they are able to convince you, and then you wanted to abandon an institution. Decide tapurka join. Consistency is very important. Let us be consistent. Ke nte momo lafta alaji usen lambela felela. Ya long imalong amusudal nga kiela. Ala le woke wonten teti. Nte laftala abadim fadim wal yalon ko laftala andum sila fino modo la fana mimma ci alaji usenti banni alayaje ko lafta tella ntebtem fan do yala o kan ko manke ko le wala nan lafta mol fana beje alaji usen lo ko jarta ntey minna aka jari i fana wala bi kon tani alaji usen kata sidi mol kante fana no manyi ngambul ale duniya jelde this is life nyanna kata sidi bi kala do manyi bari sa waje pay fana do madina so this is life I accept that and then je suis fier d'être UDPien amam fenti nyaji so kasin kolko no nimko mbatinga bula wanyama you know they played their card and then it was very well played. They played their card and then the PR was superb. I love it. It was done the way it's supposed to do and to be done, and then they were able to convince people that they intentionally went after UDP dingonu katom fo koina ning latema ning Adama Barrow man sila taliben so UDP te sila no lala manke kilonti fa ning Adama Barrow man sila UMC la UDP te sila no lala. UDP is a well structured party and Alpha Bal wolle ba nyaton kayaka amanke dinding kuti I want people to understand this. The other thing that I want to talk about. Alala hako boendi nye. Wole bekala na diamu la bamuti. Na ba woto. Yala munketa ayembala fale. Woko munketa. Bila ayembala fa baki. Cause ning yaya tonya fo aman fentinya. Andung moy bika jibe ibe tonya fola nyamina iba fola jamale mune bati ni nyanta fola alin so dalimbala 1 second I want to do this talib suma wayla talib suma nilla waye dafa fekk rek bokkuñ buus dal lolou moy mbir mi talib akabra be di fi akombika ko na ko gaay ay boy ma de nuyu talib man suma rakati raka moko mat ma oye boy ko indi no nyi ni ngay taba ko ngoda ba nan keri. Let me quickly see this quickly alimbala, my apologies. And the other party leader ngaminje UMC, I'm convinced that they have reserved some position for certain people, and if that is, I don't know, I've not seen it. List of their executives, but I've not seen it. But basically, lafta diam la mofuna dama la kola. And then ying leader manyorle, amanke nafiki ati batonya fo. Yaje talib, waro na rus bena afe. Li lu warton amla. Ibrahim Adiba, aning Karafa Sonko. Kabinin talibe nyim parti ni unite iba establish la ya kata ku bale keje ye molu ne moli ye ning ye jam faake man du fenjibe je ni Ibrahima Dibasi Ousainou Darboe finno je Karafa Sonko ay Ousainou Darboe filije oto ya filije for a very genuine reason adia tan te dia ku yata nyi ntali yalo no ko ya tuje a very genuine reason wala yata ne ya tuje je Ibrahima Diba left United Democratic Party as Deputy Organizing Secretary, Talib Head of Organizing Secretary. We take it from there. They all resigned. But Talib still remained on the UDP ticket as the mayor. If Karafa Sonko left United Democratic Party as the national campaign manager, I party abandoned. When he was part of people they are very well respected in that party. Mulia hormaya bunya akado koke andu molio hormoni wo bunya diala ni talibe party filije inin talib tata itata kata another institution itata walelo ite unite fola ite talibon laje nyamina ite unite fola ite Ibrahima bolaje wo nyama ite unite fola ite karafa bola je wonya. But you know what happened? Momo nyin dunia ko ne fengole be je mi yalon ko wole no. Dunia be yalon kay wole no. United Democratic Party wadata doyat mole yanen ko campaign manager position monin karafa bi ka jo saba wala fonde pa. Ande na nyo sa ano mo saba pa nyo saba. Adoyata nyawonya. Mol be yalon campaign manager position ni ba dila Unite Movement for Change. Mo kili manya national na manket karafa sonkolti. Ni manke na afiki ati ni muto nyati. It is our problem because it is in the public domain now. It concerns Gambians, and then you cannot exclude me from the Gambian population. Otomodo safo no nyami namfana rights to nyama to speak my opinion. And after you will object to wale ba fala ko nyinga akamim for malon. Allow me to speak my mind. Actuellement na fenke allié national campaign manager ci kale yadi MC Chamla karafay mil long Gambia kono na tara sate tan kono to len karafay sa na tara sate kemelen sa karafay sate tan kono to ni lulo belo a hurin ba dula dinga dula ba da asuto atilo ayela sate libere kono nyimbango kanya ay bankolo mbaki ite ko ebe patiele loka munati na nyinke tan kana wolle faali andum luma bisiyal ba fula pay nyimba na fonyi jani je aliman na fenke altata MC Cham Junior chika aliko wole mal la minti national campaign manager ale mun ko dekko ale deputy nyine MC Cham Junior excluding Karafa Sonko for decision making in Unite Movement. Amanke biti sama kulan kawle faji. Sama nyilibe sila tabulo munte ye decision no make in Unite karafate wotaraje. Ko sabe third position oldo. Ani kuteje. E karafalandi. E MC Chamlandi. National campaign manager ma mota. Foi ko MC Cham ye karafa Sonko filije. Ndeysaan ni modo be diamula. Ko nye karafa dum famon dual so do bang. Karafa la ko e mbala fa baake nim mam fani ya fo momuye. Ala ko e nim ko mba fa la fa I am starting to feel emotional. Honestly speaking. Because yalla munati na akonye ma it is because the sacrifice he have done for Mafa MC man sacrifice. But Karafa min tuje, nin kemele, MC man flatuje. That is the fact. I do not want to go deep into it. Kente katonya ante kole fasa. I have no friend in life. Nin tonya nata nieta, nin lolu ni kalabante yata do nge firije, natam fangoy. That is how I live. Well, nante, I am very comfortable even in fact if I'm alone. And people need to accept this. Yeah. Karafala ko niaje nyimbeke because they are distancing them from decision making in the future. Karafan kanyemu for be talo nade sama le do olon. Mbe political foke, mbe dunia le foke. Ibrahim Madiba Iman fendi ala for ceremonial position. Ceremonial position. Manda ke vendi fu parti national president. Mu yalon ko ka kol be kele ni parete kay ko ama ñu defon na ni de mu na wa amul ben problème. Lol mo fa nek. Ibrahima is the architect of Unite Movement for Change. Atele ya lo, atele ya kele, atele ya selote, atele ya Jamfa City, atele mol neng, moli atele neng, atele kiri mbaso kumandi. Woto billahi wallahi tallahi ning talib ya singo bondi dawonan. Talib nyantalo la Ibrahima ilo. Ibrahima kanyum fu eta faham la bi. Ko decision making table atel nente sila woto. Na wato sita alba fala ko paye nyim fo nyejana la tafude. Kana fay. Ali nyin tafu. Ndebi ka foko somebody deserved kuruya mu yalan ko wole kala bi ko sa nene kuruya leki kuruya bi ka kuruya jose nin telafta moy kendeya ndo ton te jawya ngani yala ndabi ko wake both Ibrahima and Karafason, they deserve more than this. But look at this. You didn't letter, they give them responsibility. Talib ran away from responsibilities. Ya chika ya dunobe chika ya large malakumoto. Wale kita kemo bojanti. He was the party spokesperson when things were very hard. Malong ila situation labanta nyadile. I've heard he is the party deputy party leader. At his age, fine. We concord with that. That is acceptable. But Ibrahim Ata, Ninkarafata, Manso wala fereng. Lopi, isafonoko kebale matisai. Probably if you do not want to take responsibilities, wala ka fo konte plaso maranola kotek. We can all agree with that. But look at Malik Sow. Ana to from Mamo Ikolko. Stafula skino sa undantela. But I've not seen him. I've not heard about him. Malunga be minute. Nyili be fene to je UDP puri nana. Talib. Waronga def lenen lululi. Be points lenta nika banko di wala lala pilot. The type of person. The type of person Talib is. Ay jamfa yoy ni lolu mom lu ndaw la. Ali kana work. Until UDP is as solid as it's supposed to be. Ali ngam fonyo nyo yaje ke kunun ko ngam gambe di ngala la kilo to back. Until ma foko you should not agree or disagree with us. But nim ko be kering ali mi nga kunun ko barota na tanga nyene fale 2018. Nkale ko adama baro fele nyinta be UDPs abe UDP jamfaka. Hakilo baka wotu mol si jutu non cause nga nabro de nga taraje Karafa hakilo baka nte Ahmad Skata Jane pa Sonko ani Yusuf Sedikan ani Mustafa Dramé tata num campaign lo gunjur for something like that, either gunjur or somewhere around that motanang nga Karafa tarabe loading nyim mol nyala lende Yusuf Sedikan was there. Mobe bulo dia la mobe bulo muta. Karafa is my own brother. Ngambulo dia la be lor nga benjibe la. Like wolu malta baki. Nko use na brother ni nga konta be kandanko. I don't know what happened. After a few minutes ngala hidita la fana nata aka kan konton. But knowing who am I malla banku. But in tech I am very tolerant. Nga ko dol tuje. Nga ko tuje. You know, Karafa la ko nimam fania for momu ye nyin kununga ye nye kuyabaki. They deserve better than what they got. Ya for moye, ma for moye. They should be so disappointed. At least, ye spokesperson, ya bula kemo bulu. Wala National Youth President diala. Ibrahim Adiba, ya ke deputy party leader. Tujereng, exactly, use. Tujereng, botanun tujereng, yes. Bari aliya ketenne. Mr. Cisse, I'm appealing. We have nothing against you. Your advice is considered, but yake manyami nale. Yake nyami nale. Yakuma kong mun foje. Hamna sa jabar refet na warna ko gis de. Warna gis sa jabar. Waye na la len tamit yow amo uru ay de. Anyways, be kumo nyin dana jang. Mba fala banko di ngoli ko kuno mun keta bufa zone. Kuno mun keta bufa zone. Talib yo komande roje ko te kal ba fala pay ñu fo ñu jani. Politics manya dafa teradi. Wa dafa tere jigen bu biir la lu mo indi ken xamuko. Mun nga fogg li am. Mun nga fogg leneen. So investé ci politics rek daf la uyu. Waye daf la uyu ne mana loko yakare. Mun nga so oté gaay dañ la ñew uyu ci. But that does not mean dañ la voter. Waye nak luy problème bi ci bopam mo wax na li Gambian ci dencalen ko binalen ko ne ñun duñu dem ak Taliban Souda in the pools. Ndele fana ñu faale de ala safi ali alandi ko ntelin talib be sudate tala ballot box o otekala mbo fula banko dimo be ala be asafi pamane ko nin talib te tala 2021 election prepare for another candidate UMC nal mallangal ba fula ja apa nyim fonyel so you should ngene am ngeen ki plan A B dem len ci plan Z bindale li fofu plan Z ngeen xamne you need another candidate bole muna tek you have right ngeen dem as United Movement for Change you participate in the politics in the coming elections with another candidate why na len leer na talib du dem lolou mom man leer na ma I have an intel in somewhere bo xamantene mo ma sa way yo de wa baxut nañ ko yemale fofu nsi mo fana be ten nsi mo fana be jay nsi mo nimbara bi manki diam lunti definitely speaking Keba Sise okay I will take your request Keba if that is the case but Keba I've never done this is my first time Keba
hello
Keba no de
okay
that's fine ila musinyima asanya ila musinyima le
I know so for nkoro
ngale ne ila musinyima ta bakere because yeah emphasize I mean you know I am in support of it you know
yellow what would you draw you know
I know
that was it anything personal it was just child draw
No, I'm also pulling your leg, you know.
Yeah, so people shouldn't be mad about that. They shouldn't be angry about that at all. You don't know it though. But some of us are kind of frustrated.
Right? I know that.
And I'm more frustrated. Well, near social media be. Ni more into social media kono. What we should be seeing. Well, Honorable Dabo. La netalo lem parti la police so lem parti Kenya lem UDP be min kekang towards 2026 December you know everything should revolve around that manu fo njele
got you
yes but nin dunta drong talib 10 UDP 10 talib 10 UDP 10 like man you know talib is not going to be bigger than Baba UMC is not going to be bigger than UDP so let's forget about these people. You know what I'm saying? We move on and then let's just promote Baba. Let's promote UDP policies. Agendas. That's more relevant to me than, Talib UDP, Talib UDP, Talib UDP. Well, that's not gonna bring us anything. Trust me. In fact, wobe minkekang sympathy vote soul. Abe only sambakang Talib ya. And they are proving if UDP provoke. I understand that. But in don't understanding listen, these people are proving us this is what they want. Pour moi be yafo talib UMC ko defé saté be yafo ngoy jëlé ila fitno li siata ngoy jëlé ten so we should avoid these things so this was my frustration.
No, I think I need to be very honest with you, Mr. Sisa. I think you are more or less panicked because of the crowd that you saw yesterday. You might deny that I'm saying that. But I felt you are panicked. But let me I'm on the ground and know how UMC is functioning, how they are targeting UDP strongholds, and then what they can do, and then how they are doing it. Last time from Honey Berending, I was called to go and talk to some an elderly person, which I did, and I am also talking to people. They confirm ko talib nata janne wala la mol nata janne nyindi kita je. Mol bi jen ko yeta from UDP already, but nata mul ko tok ngey mul dinam ko tek. Billahi wallahi tallahi. And then that person was part of our executives in Lomayun. But I am able to bring him back. So ninga mulje ka foko alinga talib la kotuge, knowing how he is trying to destroy UDP. I don't believe ko nyanta la kobula la je wo nyama. Because mbebe kukilingo le nyinika. It's like, okay, sign, let's put it this way. Until baby football la Mr. Cisse. Itebe je post nanle, for example. Iba fala komba nga kari charge, nkana kari charge. We are all looking for one thing. Barrow is the incumbent, but Barrow be min yinikam UDP. Barrow solata minna to stay in power. UDP solata walla to go into State House. Bari UMC fana solata walla in the leadership of Talib to go into State House. Now ning Talib be UDP la mul try kan purketa. Ndel ko alinga nya kasal. While he is taking our people, at the end of the day, who is the loser? Is always UDP. Because we compromise the efforts that we should put in pour kaje ko ngana mul protect from abandoning the party to join another party. And Talib has money, and then he's using that money to on our people. And a lot of people are kaje model they are subduing to those kind of things. Ngang hakilo to of nando. Amanche kon manke ko long, Mr. Sisi. Amanche kon tel manke ko long de. But probably until him faham. It's more faham. Because I'm on the ground, you are not. And then I am talking to people that you may not talk to. Wallahi, Mr. Sisi, in as much as you think you are responsible, along konin telephone landi, that is how responsible we are. Muso lebembulu, dingol lebembulu. Iko ela muso nyi nyatale. Mfana na muso nyima bale bembulu. Wala nambiga pare muli aji because bugma ken disi tekbot. Why not problem bi moy? Mbe danila ala kama kila kama. You should not be panicked about this. Anybody you can talk to, I can guarantee you, if we put a little effort, even no effort, Alaji Usden the presidency, Banko Biliba Foka. Either you believe this or not, I have no interest to lie to you. Nim fatas kenoitena na bariot. Udonde nim fo e jang. Mbo taraji. Nte permanente, nte ne alate man dama mo be jemi alon ka voters card sol ngachi. I can silent put it. Mbo che kan nga voters card sol be ti I registered 27, bile keta 28 nyawto mi yalon kala voters card o samanyana. More than mali pichotan. So model be jemi I go after them. You told the world they are ready to join United Democratic. They have already shown their loyalty. Last time that for them to speak to Mr. Dabo himself. Mr. Dabo called, he was engaged. But after that, I shouldn't have told you all this.
Okay,
but
so
we are doing what we should do. So I'm going Ninga feel for you, Ninga feel for Mr. Sise. Along con Catonia foy.
No, but it's so wrong. Can I come in?
Please do.
Okay, and then we focus on William. Until being alone, made a political conode. Until being alone, UMC, it is UDP Jijalano. We saw their crowd, woman to Jija, because thing alone they go, o crowd o mimbije. Ye more bondi from Basse, ye more bondi sate bill re Natana, Gambia Bay, in Natana. Buffer zone for Monfa, and Yanta Fala Minyani. We know all these things. Crown him Monte Jija, because I have seen so many crowds before UMC and what party will be filtered. I mean, I understand these things. Right. UDP has been here since 1996. Yeah, may be a dictator. I call Beleke, I'm UDP Mama no. Baron Nata, I'm UDP Mama no. So UDP is solid. You know, Mota Mamandila no. I understand all these things. Right. But in Tekami for a funnel. Right. My concern is we are approaching December.
Yes.
Right about now, the whole primary focus must be Patila program sol, Patila policy sol. Let's remember, UDP has a solid base, but we also need additional fence sitters. And these fence sitters, what they want to hear is, what will UDP offer them? Right? Meaning, UDP la programs on the policy, but muna kela Gambian dingway, near data. The advancement that UDP is going to bring. Right? So, these are the things that these people want to hear to convince them and come on board. But when they get into social media or these platforms, Talib la more for UDP tank, Talib tank, UDP tank. So I can more discourage delay. There are so many people. Me can't call. It can't for boy. What's a guy? Don't want you buy Talib. So when Talib is asked, I will let them buy send it to me. Let's let them focus like what you let know the fan. So let you hate the country. Like what are their programs? Right now we should be. These are the things that we should be selling to the Gambian populace. Right? Nimba Usenu Sita. He promised to build Stadium Kiang. 10,000 stadium because you saw 10 in 10 in 10. But Usenu will promise. Nanaka, abe baju kela 10 in 10. This is what we are lacking. This is what is in UDP program and but Usenu ka abe slola one time right? So the message has to be clear. We need to find messages on me to be clear. It will resonate with people, right? People will buy it. and we'll bring more people on board. Malon Fonjele, this is just my concern. This is my concern. Right, fine. Granted, Talib abe minikan, ntol for abe minikan. But listen, football law, yemi for Jane. You cannot have Messi and Maradona, right? Compared to what footballer? Compared to Nicolas Jackson or something. Come on, who will buy Nicolas Jackson in front of Maradona? In front of Messi? Who will even watch Nicolas Jackson in front of Messi? So political for them tendency, right? Akamuda Karen Fulalem. If you near Karen Fulolbe by you miss it. Focus on the Karen after minna. Run for that Karen. Yangina killing now. But you cannot be fighting UMC, you cannot be fighting NPP the same time. You got to get exhausted. And so we have to be strategized. We choose one, we ignore the other. Focus on one, push our energy, our strategy and everything towards NPP and Barrow.
Correct.
But anyway, regarding Musu of course, no Musu Ninya, but
one soldier started on his own.
Anything against you guys or any UDP. Listen, me and Youngs, I've known Youngs for more than 20 years. Youngs is my brother. I'm gonna get Fred, he's my very good brother. You know, these are my people. Here Bio Song Colony, these are my people. These are family. You know, I can name list of UDP. Yakumba is my baby sister. Yakumba Bamani Bama Bakini Fakini. Yakumba Bamani to Kulu Kapri Ndinima from Tamata. You know, you have so many people I can list. Sanajawara, we did childhood friend from Kebada from Fe. I mean, so many of them in UDP I can name. Mfama Nyolni Ba Usen Nyolni. These are family. So
I understand probably yalong diamo si kenol but coming diam nyanying is very important diamo kon.
Yes, I
probably
know.
You wanted to extend the message, but the manner it is extended will in conventional vehicle.
I apologize to certain things. You know, I was so passionate. At the same time, I was just so.
No, you were panicked. You refused to mention, but you were panicked.
The formation of UMC, young calling. I will tell you this. Right? In fact, some of their group from young ball in Yes, I will not tell, but trust me, I know them very well. And like UDP Loname, I know I have friends, they have people, I know them very well. Some of them we grew up together, like I know them. You know, in Bulletin normally. The same thing applies to NPP. Hanisam, every day they're calling. Party Mansoro. But I choose UDP because UDP is authentic. Number one. UDP is a great party. You know, UDP, they have sacrificed a lot. UDP, there's no party more patriotic than UDP. Najibe Farang, Karanal Farang, Minbe UDP, among party or party. Right?
Exactly.
But UDP Farang, they have their own bots. Right? Party man perfect.
But you don't think a big institution like UDP with over 200,000 supporters, everybody will be on one line. What a problem. I think Anita no, it's normal. Anita Kore to Ekaja News or News is similar to Lendoli Pumol to Doli. You can do from all city. And the government it's normal. It's normal. And you need to understand this model budget they are there for people to scare them, for not to pave a way to come and say anything to the party and go scot-free. That is normal. So that does not mean Imam Fendos they only want to engage on tal. There are other people they are engaging people underneath. Mr. Dabo da maka effort munke, woda maka nyantale. And Mr. Dabo benuri nyami na karomi yalong kaya wole I mean so you woda ma nyanta na nimkamane. No, mbatu ngana let me learn. Food be gente so okay no. Yala Mr. Dabo mante bula wola. But then sa kenon fanan sa mira kombe minke ka pati ma ko ikan. But it is Samira combining ka, mantra patia makoika. But wo fanan kono, modo fanan Samira paka nyimunkia patia makoikan. But that is the list. We look at the bigger picture. The bigger picture is United Democratic Party and its leadership. By extension, willing Alaji Usenu Dabot. Alaji Usenu Dabo willing tell be farmer, tell baby bulling a telenoma. and ama fo moy ko taita kari nen bi ninte fem fo talibie ya longi malong alon kati dia la misadawo and then any little opportunity aya soto he will address me kaita ndina ko nyimum fo talibie manya na fulai
But that's my point.
That is the type of person he is. I can tell you.
But what am I pointing? What I think Honorable Daboya for Moliele over and over again. Ka Foko, let's not thank you. Attorney Van Nkane reply. Nkane tontu. Right? Let us be patient. Ni Molian for one name from let's not return it. That way, you know, advise Moliere. And this is what Dabo says.
No. Honestly speaking, that would be the worst for UDP. If not, we accommodate insults, while we accommodate people that are coming, participating Kardoya, wala mundiate yafo. That would be the worst decision UDP would take. And the new keba na labula mundiate yafo pati. And ma for directly, but ma for no, you understand it. You said we have to be more tolerant. Political Political is confrontation. Confrontational is based.
No, I disagree.
I disagree. Let me tell you. But PDS la law Senegal kon when tarajil. All right. I am part of people Mulialonko. Ikalo nung laminchor woli ike gardeno. Mbe salo tonte pamani. Député mi yalonko wole be nu ntela nyombato je ka fay ko feng famara Senghor ay kele bakata mo birala nilla min chor nfongo nyala fatik PDS ko tumole ba lo kan ye salo te ye nyol lipa fenko landi be bota pati kilingol kon politiko mu kirimba solti ntelle tay mba mu de nice kan mbade da kan
but
and we should all agree ko no yalo
political should be modernized. Political man you know sotola. You see, you need to understand. No. But I will disagree.
No, footballer is more decent than political. But footballer become more nyoli pala sira mo lebe ko. Any big thing yalo ko mo ka participate je for more that is normal, Mr.
We will agree to disagree.
And I do agree with that as well. We will agree to disagree. I do agree with that. But neither the UMC BBBB even more jela jemi yalo ko want to attack permanent fighting. Because in coming for Taliban.
But
you cannot take that from a human being.
No, but that's not right, Pa. That's what I'm saying. That's not right.
Okay, let's do the right thing. We will listen, then we do the right thing.
But we should emulate to do the right thing. Political, we can do it without attacks, without insult, without any order. You know what I'm saying? Political is persuasion. You convince people to join you. That's politics. You sell them your agenda. You sell them your program. You convince you to join him. Political money, well, not even in Europe or other part of the world. Musok si kenole, NPP, Kemas kena UDP, Lara killing, Korra killing. It is Jotela. You know, say one will try to persuade the other one, but they will not fight. They will not even argue. Political nyanta kela wole nyamati. But political shouldn't be confrontational. It's not. Political shouldn't be assault. Political shouldn't be insult. Political shouldn't be fight thing. You know, woman, what that the political kono. So this is what I'm trying to say.
Okay. I think I have somebody who is calling. Even Yadio. Even Yadi. So ila pange join, right? Okay. No, but surprisingly, nga join. Okay, wala pika na pingine yung kirin du fula mi yalong kan, te pika mo kan ya mo le do ngata na join. You know what I mean?
I'm sorry then.
But anyways, you are welcome. De nyolo ngolo banke do borngalo nako.
No. We are in this thing together. Right? Yeah, we'll meet and we'll campaign together. We'll do stuff together.
Exactly. But we continue. Yes, Jenaba, you welcome. Even Yadi. Okay.
Nga appreciate le following in na ba laba ni birale musubi nga ko fa jari ko di so ko je ko na ta fitina na ta apologize jara hada madiyala wuti hada madiyala man timma de kan ko on ko na ko ke fly na fa nyere o de ni abanya na kana da hasta ni bara tara tata
Exactly.
So very keba yembe fo wonte fana me fo ka pro na focus kere flow ay me fo ko ngi ko kere flow baydira bisla dolare
Exactly.
Sometimes te ko fo moli ni be kelola ibe nyobor mo le ndo be kelola do men kana singo ko puri be starta ni do wi ni en singo singa da fu e ro ko ni ko tele kelola
Correct.
na kila ko wa ko wa on the time ko ke back mo ko 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 pondi la nale ko ni mo da ke dia mo kana na all the time ina dia mo kana mo na ya ko ko
Correct.
ko ko kelola ko ba so le ko ya ke kiba parce que hade to be na me to United States ila wala politique wala garawta be do ka ñoo wu ñaare fo parce que ñaaji je ni iri kentin ni ko ba ma ila primary ni nga kan dia ta ñu ñaare son ka ka ita mal teng fala ko hilari ka tinu wu ñaa fi sata obama ti ay fala ka ti ala na te mota ta me obama ta ta ya ko ta me no so wo ta par ni wo ba ta ka di ko ni security ko tine na protocol
Right.
so so me ber protocol ka ke ba so na ke ba ni ajibe to na na se tin ya fa ko protocol ba ke wo men
Right.
wo ko ko an se ke tin ko ko ke ba ya lo mo ibe mo men ke ta ta te ne right ba ma na na ke men ko te ko ta ka do men to ta ba ni men ta ba ni fa ma ta sa to men to sali sali kani ya ko ko da ne kere tele fo ka ta ñu fa la ko mo jani
Yeah.
Texas on the total to coming yet town fighting it are you call it a people call a boy jenny people call for it are you call a boy jenny
Correct.
come sai to penta do wato audio de ke bari ka mu de ke gal ka kana kiti ne ka ko anu wana ta is normal bari sai to ni generation mo tanga gran ko ta wo mosta
That's right.
mosta ka tan ba bera to ka personally too much and edita alfal batum kabule noma
That's right.
be kiri mudi na Kenya de UFC ni te la be mo woneti selfish interest na ma wala yatina
Definitely.
because ni wonta mo ita na to pati men ko pati ele te pil mo ne lo pati ni na te ke te pil ke tu kan te ke mo ti fo mo be lo yeni pati je te mo ni daraja ta ko ni na te ye tombo ye daraja nda ko ni to leke samba zero ni fi fo ni ba mo en de leke samba zero because lo na tina UDP pati mo ke pati ka hat
But yeah, Jenna, you become more. I don't know what is going on. I'll be more Kanebang. I don't know what is going on. They say they are not hearing me. Are you hearing me now? Sorry, Jenna. Malum for Keba quit Talewole Atin, I don't know. Yeah, I think they are not hearing me. No, yeah, Moduli Asafeko, they are not hearing me. So I'm trying to question if they're hearing me now, but nobody responded yet. If that is the case, but no Kebali quit Nasamanan. Okay, you could be more can you can go on. Somebody said yes. Okay, go on, Yenaba.
So political normal tele put some time. I can't demanding bari amanche ko no konante yara nyanta sara daji nyungu nya fo anin kabulo no ma pake.
Okay.
Mani ta sola wala to bi de bani ready time no man can to kun say no.
That's right.
Eventually slant to political color.
Okay.
People will be near and that's really stand with people capable of political color. Let us see the looting a sacrifice no kodi or winning again a patio put an patio some halal patio monkey businessman who in patio because of so maybe $9. So the senior casino let it go in a poor goal begin cattle jadola because Pula don't tema and don't let to win. After na patio high jakla, lotas and single long bankate kela and make.
Exactly.
So si fala mari ba da boli no fasa da dite mo nyata be bay dilane ko molla wati ne ka kula mo tapase ka ko bara ba ko ni ko ku fon kan ajen so don to nyanta murana ne kon kan to le jaar
That's right. That's right.
ya understand kan ta kitan be nyala ja mo jama la lo ko tari be ko ita menna ani ka ben fo mo ya ni de min kay ya sika dame to jadi be futal bol ka lo ne ka dame
Wala mtonya.
kusumia ko ni patio ko ngalo nya kon kan sabu ko nga patio dia la manso
Yeah.
kan patio na lo da kan fa ka ta ko ita banko be male
Yeah.
kuma fulo fa ka te lola ateni patio da rota te lola patio da rota lota mo to kan nge be no tema je wolle ba jotle fay so ni be o kan fala kan fa to tay wala ke ni fem fayin tol ka man ci ko ni kur ka fay do mba sen dire male dol be je hol na tam do stambile la nga nyaka parce que ngalon kon tol musamo le titol nyala
Wala mtonya.
to men wotin tol ko to
Exactly.
so te fanan ke baye me foka ko ka kali jabe ni pula bele bano ma memo barotin na tax ken ko na tax pay so lo ko do wala bulo ko no na banko na flo bolo bulo ko no na banko ka sa ka ba tinya kan sembo babu na bula no ma fon sala man say ajindi bari ni du ni taran be jabe tan ne kala na kilinda madi la ko no ko be NPP la to nyanta focus wala ga babe ta ni fana ngai tan di mollan be mune kel patira agenda mo muneti mune ben tol bulu don lafta mune kala promisol men yalam bakira ndate bayra akana ke baro la banyum bara be promisol ki
Okay.
na foy ko din tol ngabe promise na pati yombe o kala limbe banko sambala dame tanim to mo soro yala nyame no gena wafi ko sai to tembo la to baw sen do netalo ke bondi ka wafi mo ma kende kala kadi de to baw kari jama tembo
Exactly.
ni to may saraw de ko la tay tembo ni kala file bi no ko la ni no men yo hay adama wi non sa te bi pewi
Wala mtonya tini.
sen ni soto twenty wani na ya ko nga fali na
Nga fali.
mo ko tan kan di do ko mi ko tan di te wallahi tete jabe dan ko kanyum ko ma foko tanke nano yembade nano ko mo fu I don't even care about that nte kiyata men na le baro boje UDP CJ
Thank you.
so to balla fe UDP good handi baro be no lufsate to le UDP wi
Thank you very much.
to no ko shukale nyanta men kala man ko be be tan ba je la bari ni ko na kala ke ba me fo nga kala ne nyine la bake ke ba fa ne ba fo kala muso nyara nga nda fa da niyo nda ba ba ko ke ba nyara ke wolbe
No, but ala musoli ya amante la musoli. No bana muso me jiel di jiel. Aha.
Kema muna pora kende balti
That's
afa
right.
media mo nyinga bete ata kuma oda male mistake kuti ba ya understand inte odia ta nyamo to ni mistake wo kene ya fa ko ngala apologize.
Yeah. Exactly.
Alfa la ngani yo abi kilim puka ta state house ya. Na ina fa ko ni aji be bage. Ma ko la de dinga okay. Kaji na talib no la ka ke la ko to yandi kabula na masa kunda million be la ribe bulo ko na bula no mangaji.
Noted. Meten la meje la me mul fanante la. Thank you. All right. Me mul fanan beten la. Normally I do not do this, but I've seen mole bem call kan number nga wala call ta quickly. I will give the person only 2 minutes. So you might get a business, but a lot of people are calling. So basically, my apologies. Mulbe call come from WhatsApp and Sister Yare, even Karava ko I'll tell Atinet Talib Make UDP la candidate.
Campaign manager
No, woman dear sister. I need to be very honest. I do not like Barbutum.
All the time normally. You know what I mean? By request in Facebook or bari Amantano, maybe imagine. But if to be honest, Mr. Sise life minke bimbe nunjele samandam baju beka. The life was going very well. The life was very, very good. But all of a sudden, I turned Minta wasn't very, very good because I turned Minta, I know frustration on them.
Yeah.
Political Benjamin na at this point in time, at this juncture, Apoluta nyami wolem ite ko kodole be bulo kono adama baro ya ki janne afelente aba kono ya understand ya jambe ya ki janne atan the end of the day ni mudu fanana ta kado ko di yalla tala ba jayla tol UDP man ko di soton tol fangal le ka ko du tan ka bondi kantaro bondi nga do ko ke pour na patio e barin tol la patio me adi ameta biring how many years for be Tonya ke balbe min doku ke ba doku kande milbe grassroots be mil doku ke ba doku kande milbe social media panel mbe mo be Daniela from ba useno downstairs down to the kundi labon milbe social media I repeat myself social media milbe social media I say it 3 times ali bula yela to ko ke ali bula yela to ko ke because nteten na jato tala ngafa o ntenna layon tala ngafa modu ya understand wala jato be lari ngala bu ko na be te patna nente nganta fato ate ata anyori nteka we sefa tagal ate kenor lami Mr. Sise kewa Sise ngala mbulata ala fenko normally like ala political fenko mbulata normally during abe other political parties amazing job anata UDP pana abe new program thing na new don't wala akina bankoka
correct
frustration ka mobula kuma fola le fang sometimes even in life ka kumol fola tol belem tebe social media le But sometimes the kumodol for ntol ba fola nyami is fine, but it will be to interpret la nyami and jamano be nyami political be nyami Gambia kono kom na fo nyama polutale hani ko pama ni nyatale isa ta ya copy yake nyado nyama amanke nyami fa.
That's right.
You understand?
Yeah.
So if I tell like kumo jama e wole for because ntaba dube can even say Paul Nata Jela Bafokai, I told you, don't go to UDP, come to us. If I will go back to UDP 100 times, you ain't seen Cole, and do for another ha, but UDP call that and then Rokaka in Yaki, the social media lecari. I told the Kandendro Kumas. I told the Nindro Kumasi from UMC.
UMC, yeah.
You understand? You might I copied it. But me talk a UDP deal, and do. Asa ko no UDP anyo UDP dingole e jele ta ya copy ila ya ham rek comme ning ko xamé rek wol ataka e
I know
you understand
yeah I got
UDP the campaign no min ke sa senior min ta la bala dila UDP ka alinte sonna la bi inte sonna la sama hani ba usenu ko moleko alkana kete nko modol ben tol ni social media tol ya biele sot people are there milka policies for mol bi jele milia lonko they're talking about youth mol bi jele they're talking about ba usenu la one time mol bi jele they're talking about women empowerment because a program with youth and women empowerment yeah understand we got all kind of stuff alhamdulillah rabbil alamin mashallah alama diamu lal ci yalla on
amin thank you thank you
Ari alin kana na jato fa modoe o Mario na yala jato suntol ka because wo na dino na sawo abe UDP tel jam fa kon kena ba marsia fo nyami jam fa kon nga patriota nga dial UDP e ba lanka dan ko ite la patio dilela because patio ni ba dilela gis nga lu nekk rek bu andu tangor aning hormone bunya manta don abu kasaf
wolen toni moy dega
ya understand
moy dega
hormone dawo dan ni mo mon di ma hormone bunya ta ya di la alpha la don aka ke problème oti bari te ta hormone la ya bunya so ko ne na ko hormone ta ya na la do wo fanante ke no la
baraka thank you
every little thing wrong they will make it bigger among people no I told you UDP didn't UDP didn't want a frustration on bari I am tend to one in of keole mania Okay, jama buka sonna apologize la. Gambia no buka apology ke. Problem ole bara apology minke nga tentu aka nga jaya kang. Baraka ba ke pa. Ano continue na program wala. Ito le ko do stole be social media be platform all mil tola kana to attack UDP or to do their PR. Tolga na PR will settle enough. We can do our own PR. But what I can will invite them in other platforms. We will go there. Near me cool, Kemina, cool for me, long time, will come and debunk it.
Thank you, Sister Gary. Yeah.
My part, let's send come like Taliban you will talk about it. Another UDP, UDP. Momo ni matali ba UDP kono apangale apambondi UDP kono wo ni bebe UDP kono problem mo min bebe UDP kono atele anati nanje so alhamdulillah rabbil alamin kom janaba ya fo nyami nte bukana tax to tali jankajo adama barole bari wota kinala ni kuma nat molta jabi ro kelal de you understand
I got it
kun pare ko kon teko jegi buñ pare lañ ma tonto buñ ma tonto man duma amina taba
ba léegi ñu bàyyi ko foofu jërëjëf ma baraka bake Sister Jare ñu man si ambul nak accepting calls but basically ko ñu ne ya jininga keba mbe tentula mbe jayla definitely yaminje you did a gentleman thing wana bandi mo ka boy non so social media diamo akoleata back diamo fa akoleata so we do accept sometimes isi kuma fu mi yalon ko ita fa ni parete sina faham ko nganyim fu manya na ufala o bebe hana madiyalto and UDP wartale we come from different communities you will see pamane boda jinakle you are not expecting ko pamane abekela ko keba umbota for example farafenye momu na jikolen different places let so but UDP mbeke backling fakiri ngoti UDP le kawki is an open institution ay ke backling ngoti ay ke fakiri nini nyimmanyi keno isa nganyo to lale ngako beke nyoy in UDP le wotina o kamala weyala barakoda mali itandi keba we have nothing against you I know sometimes if I want to say something I say it. If I want to do something I do it. And I felt we were humiliated non reactor, but our apologies as well on behalf of all those people that reacted to your comments. We are also showing our apology kaje ko mfana start tanon hakilima yala bari yale nim ko nyanda ke kala do wole nyanda ke alaka ko dunia mu destiny lati momum yaje dunia ko ka ke nyanda kala nyamen bari fana na ko la model bi wol nata disrespected me but butung dunia do nyam mol be la fahamul bi ka kanya and then I have the tolerance. The only thing that I'm not ready to accept any insult or any disrespectful statement from anybody anymore. So biresa so ni ko ibena iben nennal long biresa so ntebe bon la nakol kono ni te nyo sabala wala ni to kumo fola nyoy amandi ni so da manke ba so moli la iponi no so te nyaminna mfana intasto wala nyam if moli e tafo ndebe kata moya ngafo ko kana nyem ngana na pejo to ngafo je if you oppose my opinion you also have the right mi yalon ko lafta ko but insal be ten to ngal be jey mbe duwala na patie ala sikero continue ka sabati nije Alaji Usenu Dabo alamale ya susi jamba aninjata kende ya bala nkaminyini ala ya soni andinye fu mfanasa atefana mfutandije State House 2026 inshallah andun sobita ko be kelale barbutun ala ateka ko beke nsi intelafta minan si wodwa ndam ala bena min kila so kyandu ngalon ka nyenta ko kun kila bol kila ati monya ko ne jibela ko yin kono Baringa science or Jelemilia Longo Gambians are ready to support Alaji Usenu. They are ready to support its legacy and then they are ready to make him the president. People are ready to support and then so mumbeje wolen ka mobela mani andi be mu kilinet tele dena bakilin tele nyenda fakilina UDP wartal na fodo beje mbe kul sabala nyote malis all normal nkana je ko nyo jawol that is the worst yo kalbeten to kalifana be jay Anybody felt offended of my statement, I also want to take the opportunity to request an apology from you. But you must also accept. If I feel I have to do something wrong or say something I have to write, I write it. In regardless for Jamal be content, Jamal man content. So mbal be tent lambal be gayle ye annal bari ma pama la barka baje.